Hello guys, welcome back into another educative video guys. So in today's video we're going to be talking about how to buy directly from manufacturer or supplier in China guys, without any agent, without any middleman. So what is Chinese agent? So Chinese agent are people that help you to buy your goods from China. Instead of you buying directly, all these people will buy from China for you, so you don't have to stress about anything. You don't have to learn anything. What you just need to do is just give them your money and send them what you need, and they will help you to do all the processing, the shipping, the payment, the everything, guys. So those people are Chinese agents. And one thing about Chinese agents is that Chinese agents charge you more than the normal, like the normal amount you are going to be paying. So for an example now, let's say you are going to be buying a goods worth of 1 million naira. So a Chinese agent will charge you, like Chinese agent charges, like it ranges guys, like it ranges. So they will charge you between 5% to 10%. Like some people literally charge up to 15% guys, but average they charge between 5 to 10%. So let's say 1 million goods. So what is 10% of 1 million goods? That is 100,000. So instead of you paying 1 million exactly, which is the amount for the product, no, you are going to be paying 1.1 million now, because the 100,000, which is the 10%, it is the Chinese agent fee. So like me now, I am a Chinese agent. So I'm a procurement agent. If someone wants to buy goods from China, like they literally don't need to learn about anything, guys. What they just need to do is tell me what they want, and I'll help them to do the sourcing, the shipments, like the pickup, everything. What I just need to do is that when their goods get to Nigeria, I'll just pick it up and I'll just send it to them. So they'll just take their goods. So that is the work of Chinese agents. So Chinese agents cover all those things. So if you don't want all these excessive fee, guys, by you paying Chinese agent excessive fee, then this video will help you a lot, because that is exactly what I'm going to be teaching you. So firstly, why do people use Chinese agents? So some people are like, oh, I don't want to go to any stores. Like they are scared to order themselves. They are scared that they might get scammed or anything. Even if they have learned, they know how to look for suppliers and everything, they are still scared. So there are people like that, guys. Like they are literally scared. They just prefer someone to just do things for them. So there are people like that. So if you are not someone like that, so there are also another set of people. These people, they literally don't know anything. Like they just want to buy their goods cheap. So there are people like that, guys. But for you that you want to start ordering yourself, what you just need to do is you need an international passport. To buy directly from China, guys, you need an international passport, because there is something we call Alipay. So what is Alipay? Alipay is a payment method we use to pay our supplier in China, guys. Like here in Nigeria, we use Naira. So in China, they use Yuan. So how do we buy Yuan? We buy Yuan using exchangers. So all these exchangers, how will they do it, guys? You need to have a Yuan account. And to have a Yuan account, you need to have Alipay. So exchanger will send you money to your Yuan account, which is Alipay. So this is just it. You will pay an exchanger money, which is a Naira. So let's say you want to buy 1 million worth of Yuan, guys. So you will pay your exchanger 1 million Naira. And then your exchanger will send you 1 million worth of Yuan. So it will send you to your Alipay. So it is that your Alipay that you will use to pay your Chinese supplier directly. So some people don't have international passports. So that's my hinder there from buying directly from China. So that's one of the problem, guys. So what you just need to do is, like, for you that don't have international passport, you can literally ask around, like ask your family member. It is not compulsory to use your own personal international passport to verify your 1688. No, even though the name will be different, no problem, guys. Like it is literally no problem. So your 1688 and your Alipay can carry different name and they will work perfectly well. So it doesn't matter, guys. So the only thing is that you have a international passport, because it is that your international passport that you use to pay. So there is also another method you can use to pay. But this method is costly, like very costly, guys, which is by using our Naira card, like our debit card, guys. So by using our debit card to pay, but it is very costly, guys, because now as I'm making this video, the current rate for yuan is 219, because right now like dollar is around 1.5, so 1,005 per naira. So yuan is currently trading at 219. So let's say we are using our debit card to pay now. So when our, you understand, like if you have been following the news, guys, so Tinubu just made our debit card go international again. Before, our debit card was cancelled, that we can't use our debit card for international trade. So when Tinubu just came into power, then I'm talking about like 2020, 2021, something like all those years, guys. So I can't really remember. So Tinubu blocked it that we can't be able to use our debit card for international trade. But right now, the opportunity is now on, guys. So we can use our debit card now to pay online. So this is how it goes, guys. You will be paying, like you will be buying yuan from your bank. And how would that happen? It is very easy, guys. So what you just need to do is you input your credit card in the payment section, guys. So your credit card will be used to purchase your goods directly or 1688 on Pindodo or any other marketplace you use. But the only problem is that the exchange will be high, like very high. So, like right now, like I said, yuan is trading for 219. So if you are buying yuan from bank can sell yuan for you for like 300 or 320 because bank can't lose. So they hike the price a lot, and there will be some transaction commission fee and all, guys. So bank added everything to it. So that is why the rates will be very high. So like I'm saying, guys, you are going to be paying like 320 or even 350 for yuan that is just 219. So that's like more than 100 naira difference. So that would be way much. Instead of you to buy like 1 million naira worth of yuan, guys. So that 1 million naira worth of yuan, if you are buying it from bank, so it can be like you'll be paying like 1.3, 1.4 million, or even 1.5 million. So you can see the difference, guys. So that is why people prefer to use Chinese agents instead of them using their debit card. So if you don't want Chinese agent at all, you don't want to stress about anything, guys, just use international passport to verify your Alipay. That's it. And if you don't have international passport, like I said, guys, you can use your family member international passport, and then you start cashing out. You start buying directly from manufacturer, like directly from the shop, guys, without any middleman or anything, guys. So that's just it, guys. So if you learn one or two from this video, make sure you like and subscribe, guys. And thank you for watching. See you next time.